Alright ladies and gentlemen, so me and Yusuf, I'm going to get a new iPhone XR. Let's go. Yusuf, I'm getting a new iPhone, okay? Don't fill my credit card details, excuse me.
Damn, son.
Yes, 128.
When did you start?
I think I started like 1 year ago.
Like 6 million views on that?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hey yo, what's up everybody and welcome back to another awesome video. Yeah guys, you clicked on this video because you want to see the unboxing of the new iPhone XR. Yes, I got the red color. Don't judge me, okay? Okay, I just got the red color because I like red color. And yeah, here's the iPhone. I also got some cool accessories with it, but this took me a 40 minutes to design it and another like 20 minutes to make it, so I'm gonna show you later in the video. And yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications to be a notification squad. If you want to stay tuned for this awesome videos, I'm gonna start unboxing this new iPhone. I just got it today with Mohammed and Yusuf right there behind the camera. And yeah, let's get on with it. I'm gonna unbox it with you. I haven't opened it yet. It's not like other YouTubers unboxing from the package. Product red iPhone. I'm gonna show it to you. Let's unbox it. I haven't seen it yet myself, so this will be my first time. Alright, so we have the manual designed by Apple in California, of course made in China.
China, China, China.
Okay. Do you see it a little bit? Oh my, yo, damn. I didn't know it's gonna be that big. Holy crap, it's a huge iPhone. Of course, nobody cares about the manual.
China!
Let me pick it up. First fingerprint on this phone. Damn. This is quality phone. Wow. iPhone product red. As you can see. Damn, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna leave the packet like tags because I don't have screen protectors yet. It's exactly the same size as on the iPhone box. The plug for Dubai. Of course, you need a plug in Dubai. Have the headphones, of course, but these headphones, do they have? Alright, so these headphones already come with the connector because, as you know, on all the new iPhones, they don't have the AUX. So the new iPhones come with the AUX. So the new iPhones don't come with the AUX hole and.
What?
AUX. Okay, so the new iPhones don't come with the AUX port. They come already with basically it's the charger, built-in charger, and AUX built in here, so you can just directly plug it to the new phone. And of course, you have the standard is the charger. But look how quality packaged this is. Like, do you see this? I will never package this myself like any other time. This is once a time I'm recording this. I'll try to make it the same way. It will never happen. Put it back because I have a lot of chargers. Okay. So I'll put. Can't even place it back the way it was there. I got this awesome cover for the phone. This is from Axiom.com, although they didn't sponsor this video, but I'm just giving them a free shout out because they did something insane. So this is a phone cover. I spent 40 minutes designing it and 20 minutes of making it. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. It says LevTv with YouTube logo, then my face with Mohammed's snake on it. If you can see, I made the green lines because my iPhone is red. So I come as a Gucci logo. So this is what's gonna. Oh, damn, actually it doesn't look that bad. Does it look like, you know, the green sides and the red in the middle? Yeah. That's generally the quality of this. It printing, there was a laser printing. I'm gonna show it to you right now. This laser is insane. In like 10 minutes time, it just printed everything on this cover. Okay guys, as you can see, I just installed the cover. Damn! Wow, it actually looks good. Look at that.
It's really nice.
It's really nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually kind of reminds me of Gucci logo because of the green line and the red back. Wow. So first things first, I'm gonna start it for you guys. Big shout out to these guys. They did a great job. Look at this. It's flipping insane. You know? Oh, hello. Gonna be United States. Why not? Just a second. There's a huge difference between the phones, right? As you can see, let me pull this out from the case. Look, oh my god, you can have 2 iPhones to fit the big one. Damn, it's so small. Okay guys, so I'm gonna set up my phone now, and yeah, catch you later as soon as I get to the main menu. Like basically set up Face ID in Apple Store, and it says here, first position your face in the camera frame and then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Okay, let's have it going. Shows me which direction. Look, wait. Oh, it shows my house now. It was basically, wait, if I go like this, it shows me which direction I have to. Okay, well, it's gonna remember you, not me. You guys, as you can see, I have 3 different phones, and yeah, I just did my iPhone, so I'm gonna unlock it for you. You can see I showed my face, it opens up. Yeah, it's pretty insane phone, and the photos are incredible. Look, I'll take a photo of my colleague behind, of Mr. Mohammed. Film me. As you can see, look at the quality of the photo. You go here, and then here's the true tone mode. Okay, apparently it shows the true colors of the, basically adapts to the back, like the environment around. So yeah, because I changed from a true tone photo, phone becomes like a toy phone compared to this. This is huge, by the way. And this is, we have iPhone 7 in comparison. As you can see, there's a big difference between the phones. So far, so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and yeah guys, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notification to be on notification squad, because we want to stay tuned for this awesome shoutouts. And hopefully you enjoyed this video, and yeah, this phone is just incredible. A last spin around about this phone, and the cover is insane. I fell in love with the I fell in love with the cover. Okay guys,
Maybe we should turn this silence.
a while, 40 minutes just to design this. The phone is amazing, and yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Peace.